immobiliser fit, and this is a 2017 AMG GTS protected with a Ghost 2 immobiliser. So a thief got this key, done a relay attack, went to steal the vehicle. It's just simply not going to start. As you see, it goes to crank but doesn't start, and then they're unable to start the vehicle completely. So what the customer's got to do, keep their foot off the brake. They'll tap the start button twice to get all their lights on. Then they'll go through a unique code. For now we just have 1, 2, 3, 4. If you watch the parking brake, we'll get a double flash. And now we can put our foot on the brake, start the vehicle up. And it fires into life, and we can select our gear and drive away once we've put our code in. When we leave the vehicle, we'll give it 10 seconds to set. Then the system's going to be active and the vehicle's no longer going to start without seeing the push sequence. So we'll just show you that. If we try and start it up, the vehicle simply doesn't start. Our foot's on the brake, just can't start it up. So once again, ignition on, pop our code in. For now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, receive a double flash. Now we've got that foot on the brake and start. If this is going for a service, they want to turn the Ghost off for a period of 30 miles an hour, 15 minutes. If it exceeds that, it's going to hop out. But to put it in service mode, when the system's disarmed, we'll press the mute button 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we're going to get 5 flashes. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now this is a normal vehicle. So this isn't going to arm. Vehicle's going to start without a code, no problems. Mercedes can drive it around as if there's nothing fitted to the vehicle. Just hand them the key, and they'll know nothing's fitted, so long as they don't exceed 30 miles an hour for 15 minutes or more. When you get the vehicle home, turn the ignition on, pop your code in, 1, 2, 3, 4, like we have for now, receive a double flash, and the system's active. Customers will change the code on this system. What they'll do, turn the ignition on, so with a double press, foot off the brake, pop their code in to prove that it's them, get our double flash. Now we'll put our foot all the way to the floor on the accelerator, repeat our code again, and we're gonna get a load of flashes. Once these start, we can take our foot off the accelerator, we can put our new code in. So we'll just set 1, 2, 3, 4. Every time we press a button, we get a flash. When we're done, we'll stop, we'll get 3 flashes. Now repeat the code again, 1, 2, 3, 4. When we're done, we'll stop and we should get 2 flashes. That's the code learnt. If we got 4 flashes, these 2 codes we've input in learn mode are both different and the code hasn't been accepted, you'll need to start again. But now the vehicle's off, we'll turn the ignition on because we've changed our code, pop the new code in, 1, 2, 3, 4, receive a double flash, and we'll start the vehicle. This is the Ghost 2 on a 2017 AMG GTS. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. Thanks for watching.